Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Tonight we're going to look at Ktor, Kotlin Ktor, which is a very cool server. It kind of is a competition to Spring framework, even though they would never say that out loud. But it is very often compared to Spring. There's many more features in Spring, of course, in the Spring Boot Spring Boot portfolio, but I really like Kotlin Ktor also, so that's why I'm creating these videos about that. Tonight I'm going to show you the default header feature which we're going to install. The last time we were looking at something called locations, but if you did not see that video, then just forget about all these endpoints down here and just don't think about why the endpoints don't have a string attached to it, so we can see the endpoints, because the endpoints are located in the spaceship. That's a part of the locations, the location feature. But tonight we're going to look at the default headers. That means that I can attach default headers to all the responses that I'm creating, and it's really easy. It's part of the standard dependency. It's part of the standard package. So if you just have this server call right here, then you are good to go. You don't need to add any extra dependencies to add the default headers. So I'm going to my application.kt, my application.kotlin file. I'm going to look for the other features that I'm installing, and then I'm just placing a new install line sentence someplace. Then I'll write default headers like this. You can see it's in the package io.ktor.features. Just by adding this line without giving any configuration, what I actually got is I actually got a timestamp which will be added to in the header of all the responses, and I also added the name of the server, what kind of Ktor server I'm using. It's version 1.3, which I'm using right now. That will also be added in the header. Actually, before I'll add this, then let us try to start up the server without the default headers installed. And let us create a script that curls our backend. So I'll create a new directory right here, name script. And then I'll create a new shell script right here, which will then curl server.sh. Add it to Git. Thank you very much, IntelliJ. And then I'll write curl -v for verbose, so we can actually get the header information. If I don't add -v, then I will not get the information about the headers. So, and then I'll say localhost, HTTP localhost, and I'm running on the default port 8080, and then just on the on this endpoint right here, just on the slash endpoint. Let us just run. Let us see what happens now. The server's up and running, and here you can see these are the headers. We have content type, text, and char UTF-8. We have some content length. We actually have a date stamp on right now, and then we have the hello world right there. But let us see what will happen when we add the default headers feature. So let us just try that. So now I'm adding the default headers features right now. I'm going to add my own header also. So I'm going to add Minecraft pool player, because I also play Minecraft once in a while, and then I'm just going to write Mike just to show you a default header. I can also figure something else out. It could also be what should it be? Video topic, and then we say default headers Ktor Kotlin like this, and let us try to restart our server. So I'll just do that right here. And then we will curl the server once again and see what we actually get. And the server's up and running. And then we just run my script again, run file. And now you can see right here, I got my Minecraft cool player attached, which is Mike right there. I got my video topic right there. I got this server header attached right there. Here you can see it says Ktor server core 130. So that gives us which version it's running right now, and the date. We actually also got the date before, so I guess that is part of the default response without us adding the default headers plugin, or the feature. So So that's actually just what I want to show. So if you want to add some default headers, then the default headers feature can be very useful. Yes, try it out yourself. I'm going to commit and push the code as usual, so you can try it out yourself. Thank you very much. Have a great evening, and hope to see you again soon. Bye bye.